So let's solve some problems based on this multiplexer. So I've forgotten to tell you something. There will be one more input for this multiplexer, that is enable. So enable is a switch. Okay, this can be on or off. On means 1, off means 0. Okay. This operation is as I just explained. It will work as I just explained only when the enable is on. If the multiplexer need to select one of its data inputs based on the control inputs to the output, means this enable should be on. If this enable is off, means 0. No matter whatever the control inputs you select, none of the data inputs will be selected to the output. So let me write here enable. So in case enable is 0, okay, no matter whatever you select, like 0 0 means don't guess. XX means don't guess. Either it can be 0 or 1 or 0, whatever it might be. When the enable input is 0, whatever you select with respect to control inputs, the output will be don't care or low. It will be low. Okay, none of the inputs will be selected to the output. When the enable input is high means when the enable is on, the enable switch is on. Based on the control inputs, if it is 0 0, it is going to select D0. If it is 0 1, it is going to select D1. If it is 1 0, it is going to select D2. If it is 1 1, it is going to select D3. When the enable is 1. When the enable is 0, no matter whatever you input you give, okay, the output will be low. So this is one thing with respect to enable you need to remember. So let's solve some problems with respect to this multiplexer. So look at the question. Construct the 4:1 multiplexer using 2:1. So what do you mean by 4:1? 4:1 means 4 data inputs, 1 output. If you want 4 data inputs, what is the control input? What is the control input? This is refers to n, 4 data inputs. If you want 4 data inputs, what should be the control inputs? Control input should be 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4, right? So this will be n. This 2 will be m. This 4 will be n. Okay. So you need 4 data inputs, 1 output. Okay. This is 2 control inputs. Okay. So whenever they give like 4:1 multiplexer, you need to remember 4 refers to data inputs, 4 refers to data inputs, and 1 refers to output, 4 refers to data inputs, and 1 refers to the output. So you need to know how many control inputs. If there are 4 data inputs, what is the amount of control inputs? That can be decided by like this. 4 is equal to 2 to the power of how much? 2 to the power of how much? 2 to the power of 2 is 4, right? Then it will be two control inputs. Okay. So look at the question. Construct 4:1 multiplexer using 2:1. So when they give 2:1, what do you mean by 2:1? When there is 2:1 multiplexer, how many data inputs? 2 data inputs. Okay, one output, control input will be 1. So you are supposed to make use of 2:1 multiplexer to construct 4:1 multiplexer. This is a question. Okay. So you need to remember what is 4:1 multiplexer. 4:1 multiplexer means 4 data inputs, 2 control inputs, 1 output. 2:1 means 2 data inputs, 1 control input, 1 output. So how many 2:1 multiplexer you need to construct 4:1 multiplexer now? So 4:1 multiplexer have 4 data inputs. 2:1 multiplexer have 2 data inputs. 4:1 multiplexer have 2 control inputs. 2:1 multiplexer have 1 control inputs. So both of them, obviously the output will be 1. So now let me show you how to construct 4:1 multiplexer by using 2:1 multiplexer. So I am just writing. So this is 2:1 multiplexer. 2:1 multiplexer means how many data inputs? 2. So let me start here. D0 and D1. Here D2 and D3. So this multiplexer is 2:1. This is also 2:1. Okay, this multiplexer have two data inputs, this multiplexer have two data inputs, as 2:1 have only two data inputs, right? So both these 2:1 multiplexer have two data inputs. Okay, so when there is two data inputs, how many control inputs? One control input. So I am writing one control input. This is one control input. I am going to name it as A. I am going to name it as B. Okay, so both the output will be connected to one more 2:1 multiplexer. Okay, this is A. Okay, this is also A. Sorry, let me write it as B. This is B. This is also B. Okay, this is A. This is output. Okay, so when it is 0 is here, 1 is here. Why it is 0, why it is 1, let me tell you. So look at this table as well as this table. Okay, A, this is A, this is B, right? Whenever A is 0, B is 0. Whenever A is 0, look at A is 0 means it will concentrate on upper multiplexer. Whenever A is 1, it will concentrate on lower multiplexer. So whenever A is 0, it comes up here. So if it is, this is 0, this is 1, D0 and D1, right? 0, 0 is, so A is 0, B is 0 is, A is 0, B is 0 is D0. A is 0, B is 1, B is 1 is D1. When A gets 1, it concentrates on lower multiplexer. This will be 0, this will be 1. When A is 1, B is 0, A is 1, B is 0, it will be D2. When A is 1, B is 1, it will concentrate on D3. Getting? So I have written A here and B here. These two are control inputs. Whenever A is 0, it will concentrate on upper multiplexer. Whenever A is 1, it will concentrate on lower multiplexer. So like this, A is 0, upper multiplexer, A is 1, lower multiplexer. Okay, like this. Whenever A is 0, B is 0, B is equal to 0 means D0. A is 0, B is 0, D0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, D1. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, D2. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, D3. So look at this circuit. I have used only 2:1 multiplexers. Look at the question. Construct 4:1 multiplexer using 2:1. I have constructed 4:1 multiplexer. 4 data inputs, 1 output. This is a 4:1 multiplexer by using 2:1 multiplexers. Okay, I have forgotten to write enable. So there will be one input called enable like this. This is an enable. This is an enable. Oh, this is an enable. So you can do is like take a connection from all these, join together everyone, name it as enable. One connection from this multiplexer, one connection from this multiplexer, one connection from this multiplexer, name it as enable. This is 4:1 multiplexer using 2:1. Okay. So let me go with next question. Construct 8:1 multiplexer using 2:1 multiplexer. So what is 8:1 multiplexer? 8:1 multiplexer means 8 data inputs, 1 output. Okay. So how many control inputs? 8 data in. If it is 8 data inputs, 2 to the power of m. What is m? 2 to the power of 3 is 8, right? So if it is 8 data inputs, 3 control inputs, 1 output. Okay, you need to construct a multiplexer which consists of 8 data inputs, 3 control inputs, 1 output, but you are supposed to use 2:1 multiplexer to construct 8:1 now. So 8 data inputs. In case of 2:1 multiplexer, how many data inputs will be there? 2 data inputs. 2:1 multiplexer means 2 data inputs. If you want 8 data inputs, how many 2:1 multiplexer you need? 4. So let me write 4. 4 data inputs. So D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. D0 to D7. So 8 data inputs, right? And this is 2:1 multiplexer means 2 data inputs means 1 output will be there. So when it is 8:1, you come across 3 control inputs. I told 2:3 is 8. 3 control inputs A, B, C. So I am going to name it as C here. C. Okay. So let me combine these two. One more multiplexer. This may combine these two. One more multiplexer. I will name it as B. Okay, I will combine these two. I will name it as A. This is output. Okay, when it is 0, it will concentrate on upwards. When it is 1, it will concentrate on downwards. So when it is 0, when B is 0, it will concentrate on upper multiplexer. When B is 1, it will concentrate on lower multiplexer. Here also the same. So let me write A, B, C. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is three different control inputs can be given like this. Okay. So when A is, this is D0, this is D1, this is D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So A is 0, B is 0, A is 0 means it will come here, B is 0 means it will come here, C is 0 means this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. C, D0, it will come here. 0, 0, 0 is D1, 0, 0, 1. C is 1 means D1. 0, 0, 1 means D1, like 0, 0, 1 is D1. 0, 1, 0. 0, B is 1 here, C is 0. 0, B is 1, C is 0. D2. Here it is D2. Similarly, if you want to go with this one, A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. So where is A is 1? A is 1. Where is B here? B is 1. C is 0, right? C is 0. Nothing but D6. Like this. So name like everything should be connected by enable, 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 like enable. This is how you are supposed to write 8:1 multiplexer using 2:1 multiplexer. Okay.